This video about to go viral because every time I spit in this microphone, it's like poetry in motion. Hit that subscribe button and buckle up because every video I drop packs a punch and you don't want to miss it. New Year's resolutions. We all make them and we all break them. And somehow we're shocked. Every year we're in the same hot mess in February. But not this time. Nope. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you 12 ridiculously simple ways to keep your resolutions. Yes, even if your track record is worse than your gym attendance, think tips so good they might actually work. Tips better than the ones you give at the strip club. Now, of course, if you plan on becoming a millionaire by March by winning a Powerball, you won't need this. Everybody else stick around because this is a wake-up call to your lazy habits you didn't even know that you needed. Tip number 1. Set clear and realistic goals. A goal is a dream with a deadline. Realistic goals keep you from setting yourself up for failure, reducing stress and disappointment. If you've been broke for a decade, don't expect to buy a yacht by Valentine's Day. Took you 30 years to lose 300 pounds. You're not going to lose it in 30 days, believe me. But setting up clear and realistic goals is like setting expectations in the bedroom. If you don't, believe me, someone's bound to be disappointed. So stop hyping your lady up, telling her this is going to be the best 2 hours of her life. Then after 2 minutes, you rolling over snoring limp. Tip number 2, break goals into smaller steps. See, breaking goals into smaller steps is like slicing a giant pizza. It's way easier to handle, one slice at a time. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was Amazon. See, Jeff Bezos may have a yacht today, but that brother started in his garage. You eat an elephant the same way you eat your lady, one bite at a time. Start from scratch and keep on scratching. Tip number 3, write it down. See, writing down your goal is like engraving them in your brain. It makes them real and actionable. And for the new generation that don't know how to fucking write, text that shit to yourself. See, if it's not written down, it's just a wish. And wishes only work on birthday candles. See, if you wish in one hand and then shit in the other, see which one will come first. Shh, that's right. A dream written down with a date becomes a goal. Writing it down makes your goals tangible. Turns your goals from vague ideas into concrete plans. Your brain takes it more seriously when it sees that shit in black and white. The number 4th tip, track your progress. Yeah, tracking your progress is like having a scoreboard to your goals. It keeps you motivated and accountable. Swish. Yes, that's right. Tracking shows you exactly where you stand. No sugarcoating. It's hard to ignore reality when the numbers are staring you in your face. If your tracker shows 0 progress, it's not the app's fault, it's your fault. Stop counting walking to the fridge as cardio. Tip number 5. Make your goals measurable. See, by making your goals measurable, it's like having a GPS, clear directions to success. A measurable goal gives you a clear target, eliminating confusion about what success looks like. See, you tell yourself, I want to lose weight. That's vague. But if you say, I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months, that's crystal clear. Because if your goal is just try harder, do better, you might end up thinking going from 2 minutes in the bedroom to 3 minutes in the bedroom is success. The 6th tip, share your goals. See, sharing your goals is like crowdsourcing accountability. Telling others your goals makes you feel responsible for the follow through. It's harder to back out when people know what you're aiming for. See, who would have knew? Me sharing my goals with my girl that I wanted to be more open and honest would mean she would request my password to my phone and ask to see the credit card statements to make sure that there was no strip club charges. Tell them to hit the like button. Make sure they subscribe, huh? Damn it, make sure you subscribe, because if you ain't subscribed by now, you're a procrastinator and basically a hater. You're going to be the same person you was last year. So make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, put a comment here, and make sure you watch. We about to get serious. Tip number 7. Focus on one resolution at a time. You see, focusing on one resolution at a time is like trying to juggle one ball instead of 10. That shit way easier. By concentrating on one resolution, you had a mental bandwidth to create a solid habit before moving to the next one. Multitasking is great for folding laundry and watching Netflix, but not so great when you're trying to turn your life around. See, your ass ain't Superman. You can't save a hoe, save the planet, get abs, and then try to learn Spanish all at the same time. Just start exercising on a regular basis. Then try to be a vegan. You can't do all that shit at once. You can't boil the ocean, but you can make a great cup of tea. So let's just start there. Tip number 8 to make sure you're going to keep your resolution this year: anticipate challenges. Because hell, there's going to be some challenges ahead. But challenges is like spotting potholes in the road ahead. It saves you from unnecessary bumps. When you expect challenges and you create a plan to handle them before they derail you, it's like bringing an umbrella when the forecast says probably going to rain. It's smart. It's not being paranoid. Let's face it, nothing kills momentum faster than not being prepared. So plan ahead. Take your Viagra. Bring your condoms, because you don't want to fumble when it's time to rise to the occasion. The 9th tip to make sure you stay on track this year, it's a hard one. Stay flexible. See, staying flexible isn't just great advice for yoga. It's a life skill. And you want to be more flexible than the OnlyFans model. See, life rarely goes as planned. Staying flexible lets you adjust without completely derailing your progress. Your plan is not set in stone unless you Moses. Remember this. If your run outside every morning plan just got rained on, you better be doing burpees in your bedroom. See, staying flexible isn't about that chick touching her toes. It's about keeping things interesting when it's that time of the month. What tip we on? Did you get something out of watching this video? Did you reward yourself? Because that's tip number 10. See, rewarding yourself is like giving your brain a little high five. It keeps you motivated and excited to get going. Now, speaking about high fives, make sure you go down to the comment section, put a high five in the chat so I know you're ready to keep your resolutions for this year and not be a procrastinator. See, rewards help your brain associate the hard work with good feelings, making it more likely you'll stick with your goal. Treat yourself to a new outfit after you hit the gym and got shape for the month. See, you worked out to get that bedroom body. Now get in the bedroom and get that body working. Oh, we almost at the end. This is tip number 11. And tip number 11 is adopt a positive self-talk. See, positive self-talk is like being your own hype squad. Be your own fucking cheerleader, even if you gotta wave invisible pom-poms. See, encouraging yourself helps you believe in the ability to achieve your goals. If you think you can, you're more likely to try. I want you to say this shit to yourself. I am not a product of my circumstances. I'm a product of my decisions. You are destined to become the person you decide to be. Damn, drop a gem in the comments. Positive self-talk is like foreplay to your brain. It sets the mood. It gets you ready to perform at your best. Fuck it. If you don't believe you are the best, how the fuck do you think I'm supposed to believe it? So here we are. We reached the end of 12 foolproof ways to keep your New Year's resolutions. You gonna stick with them? If you knew better, you would do better. And I'm expecting great things from you. Yeah, you. I'm expecting a 6-pack, 6 figures, and at least giving your girl 6 minutes of pure ecstasy. Yeah, see, by this time next year, you went from living with your mama in her basement or living with your baby mama to living in mansions and Benzes and giving ends to your kids, and it feels stupendous. To all my ladies out there, I want your booty in a bikini. I want your head game better than Dr. Phil. Upgrade your wardrobe and be the fabulous woman you was meant to be. Yeah, baby, winter is coming. And by the look of the cobwebs in your coochie, you ain't came in a long time. So I need you to level up, settle down, and get that ring by spring.